When it comes to RBI Grade B Phase 2, descriptive writing holds the key. Descriptive writing is worth 200 marks out of 300 marks. That is exactly 2/3 weightage. But descriptive writing को लेकर there are a lot of doubts in every aspirant's mind. What kind of questions will come? Will I be able to express myself? Will I know the content there that will be asked in the exam? So ऐसे बहुत सारे doubts आते हैं. But if you see the previous year questions, there is a strong pattern emerging in these questions from which we can predict the questions that can be asked this year also. I'll give you some examples. One of the questions asked last year is what is transactional and transformational leadership? Discuss the difference between transactional and transformational leadership. Now this question is asked in the exam and can be mapped directly to the syllabus tag transactional and transformational leadership. Similarly, there is another question asked, what is corporate governance? What are the factors associated with it and what are the principles of corporate governance? Now again, this can be directly tagged to the syllabus, that is corporate governance, the factors and mechanisms of corporate governance. So there is clearly a pattern emerging that the descriptive questions are being asked directly from the syllabus tags. So they are not asking you micro questions. Maybe this is not true for all, but true for many of the questions. So based upon this pattern, we have covered chapter-wise model questions and answers covering these syllabus tags that we are giving as part of our crash course. And not only these model questions and answers, we are also giving you ultra short notes to cover your content quickly. We are also giving you mind maps for quick revision, especially for increased recall in the descriptive writing. And we are also giving you daily live classes where you can complete your daily targets and practice some MCQs. And all this is being given in a crash course in an amazing offer at an amazing price. तो वो amazing offer क्या है? That you can go to the description of this video, you can click on the link there and get to know the amazing offer by yourself. तो अगर आपको लगता है कि at this last juncture you need some assisted preparation which can increase your chances of clearing this exam, you can consider joining this crash course. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.